How to unban Tinder account. So if you want to unban Tinder account, then what you need to do is first open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with search. Under search, you need to search for Tinder support. Once you go with Tinder support, you will have a submit a request. On the first, you need to simply tap on submit a request and it will take you to the request page. Now you need to verify that you are a human. Simply tap on that box and your verification will be successful. And now you need to go with how can I help you with, and go with trouble with account login, and go with the second one and tap on my account was banned. Scroll down and then enter your email address that you've used to create your account, and then enter the mobile number. Once you enter the mobile number, you need to enter the description. And under description, what you need to do is my account got banned for no reason by mistake. So can you please help me recover it? Once you've written that, you can also add files or drop some files here, like screenshots and everything, and then tap on submit. And once you've submitted, Tinder will mail you on the mail address which you've just entered, and you can unban your Tinder account. So that's the only way to unban your Tinder account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.